Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the indicator store, and today I want to show you one of the functions of Markers 2025. Let's say that you are trading more than one setup, okay? So we have two setups, one on the left, one on the right, and maybe there are positions that are overlapping from one setup or the other. Let's see an example. We have a long signal here and a long signal here. Usually what happens? Let's take a look. Let's go back to maybe 230. Okay, 230. So we skip this trade. Now we can click on play.
Order filled.
We have the long from this system. The order is also visible on the other chart because the instrument is the same. Okay, but this position was executed by this strategy. Now, if we keep going,
Order filled.
now we have another long. This long from this setup. This is the 8-year trend, the other is the edge. That is usually not a problem.
Target filled.
But maybe you don't want to take one position when you already have another one, because maybe you want to limit your trade position, your total trade position. So what can you do? Well, something that we can do is on these markers, or on both markers, no? We can save the status with a variable. Okay, on markers, on these markers, we can now create a variable. For the name of this variable, I am going to use, I don't know, strat or s edge. This is just a variable, okay? So I am going to add a letter as at the beginning so we can identify that this is related to the strategy. And let me show you what we can do, okay? And on this other setup, we can name or create the variable is 8-year. Okay, so nothing changed until now, but now we have two variables, and those variables include the position of the strategy, the entry price, the equity, the P&L, the target, the stops, everything. Today we are going to review only the position, because if the position of one of them is different to 0, I don't want to execute an order on the other. Example, if I paint, okay, if I paint the position of this strategy, markers paint, or let's say we paint this the position of edge plus 8-year, one plus the other, and on a new panel, no, on a new panel here at the bottom. Now we go again to 230, and let's see what we get.
Order cancelled.
Currently 0 contracts, okay?
Order filled.
Now we have one long, and this number is now 1, okay? And again, this is global, okay? So we can place it on any chart, okay? Now let's
Order
keep going.
filled.
Now we have another position more. So now we have two contracts. Okay, so the two strategies, this variable SEdge and SATR is equal to 1. So the one plus the other is 2. Okay, that means we can use it as a filter. For example, let's see. Let's say I only want to trade this one here if this is the edge, okay? So I am going to add a filter for edge here, enable filter, that I only want to paint to trade along if SATR is equal to 0, okay? So it is flat. The same for the other, okay? And in the same way, we can add the same filter here, but looking at the other variable. Enable the filter, and longs when SEdge is equal to 0, and for shorts SEdge is equal to 0. Okay? Now let's see what happens. We go again to Serdin. Okay.
Order cancelled.
Now we click on play. The position is 0.
Order filled.
We have one condition. Okay. And now we can see immediately longs are disabled, shorts are disabled. Okay, so this strategy is not going to execute nothing because this variable is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the sum of the variable. So because this strategy has a position, let's see if it works. We are waiting for a long signal. Now we can see that this signal is not executed unless we turn off the filter. Okay, on more videos we are going to review more of the features that a strategy can share with other strategies. That will be everything for today. Thank you everyone, and if you have any question or comment, we have a chat room on Discord, and the instructions to log in are on the description of this video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.